That's that basil pesto. Hello party people, my name's Xtine and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple basil pesto. You know it, you love it. It's delicious on pasta, bread, a caprese salad. I'm super excited because I'm going to be using fresh basil that I grew in my garden. Sorry for the light flex. Here are all of the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups of fresh basil, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup pine nuts, you could sub walnuts if you want, 3 cloves of garlic, I'm gonna mince these, 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan or Romano cheese, and salt and pepper. Let's get started making this basil pesto.
Grab a food processor or a blender and put your washed basil in there. Next, add your pine nuts. Pop on the lid and blend until it all breaks down. It should look something like this. Now I'm adding the minced garlic and the Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to pulse to combine. It's a good idea to pause and scrape down the sides so we don't leave anyone out who's hanging out on the periphery. And once again, blend to work in all that stuff we just scraped off the sides. While it's blending, we're going to slowly add in our olive oil. Now it's really starting to look and smell like the creamy green nectar of the gods. Give it another scrape down and blend again. Finally, we just need to add salt and pepper. I find it's easiest to just eyeball it. We'll taste it in a second to make sure it's seasoned to perfection. Blend one more time. And the verdict is in. This shit is delicious. And look at how pretty too. I ate mine with tortellini, and if you would like a recipe for that, just let me know. A moment of appreciation for the pasta though.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, if you thought it was helpful, you could subscribe. I don't know what that was.